Tino, out. Now, another one is coming. If you insists on idols, I don't really know what happens next.
Deuteronomy 7:5. But thus shall ye deal with them. Ye shall destroy their altars, and break down their images, and cut down their groves, and burn their graven images with fire. Kundi ganito ang inyong gagawin sa kanila, inyong igigiba ang kanilang mga dambana, at inyong pagpuputol-putulin ang kanilang mga haligi na pinakaalaala, at inyong ibubuwal ang kanilang mga asera, at inyong susunugin sa apoy ang kanilang mga larawang inanyuan.